Okay, somebody asking for a use case, saying that they are having an issue with a use case, and I write that use case only for the block, not for the simple functionalities that has to be implemented, because there are a lot of good blocks in the net. Okay, there are a lot of good people who have created very good blocks, who have explained very much in detail. So their effort, I know, because see, when I write a blog, I know how much effort you're putting into writing it. Okay, I'm not a very good all this writing a blog, but I try my best with the alphabetical order, right? These functions. So this was a claim row function. Now for this I wrote an extensive one. This function is only using for the coupon code, okay? And during the time, many of the companies might give them vouchers, okay? So saying that there is an offer, okay, maybe 25% off or some kind of a offer that they want to give it to their subscribers, okay, to engage with them, okay, which can be used very profoundly. So here what it does is, when you use the row claim function, okay, it basically validates coupon code, okay, that you have in the data extension. And if that is not being used, like you have a data extension, say coupon code, okay, coupon code data extension, okay, so you have a lot of coupon codes, and these coupon codes are basically assigned to a individual subscriber. It has to be unique, right? So for each subscriber key, you have a coupon code. And how it would be like, okay, so you have subscriber key, you might have the email address or event, okay, so there is some event that is going to happen, and you have a coupon code, okay, coupon code, right? Now I have this subscriber key, okay, so let me keep both the subscriber key and the email address the same. If this is a coupon code, okay, which is a unique coupon code that has, maybe it may be unique or it may be the same, but just for example, I have a coupon code, and if they apply SASE max 25, they will get 25% off.
Yes.
And similar to, let's say, Lakshmi, okay, then you have another subscriber. Then let's say this is, let's say, New Year. It's an event, okay, and so I have another coupon code. So 2 people, right? Now, what this claim row function does, this claim row what will do is, say, if I'm looking for SASE, okay, and I want to assign this voucher code for SASE, okay, that's a real time, then what you're basically going to do is, you're going to use this claim row function, and the data extension name, if I have to say, let's say this is a coupon master, okay, the data extension name. So here you're going to call this function, and you're going to use for whom you are basically using. So for me, it's the subscriber key, and then let's say I have this subscriber key. Okay. Here you have the name of the, see, you can see this screen, right? So what are the function properties that you're using? So you have 4 required fields that are, that are required. First is the name of the data extension, okay, name of the column to be used as an identified claim row. So which particular column that you're using to identify as a claim row. Then you'll require the name of the data extension key, okay, through the key object you're trying to do a filter. So here, see, I created a coupon master. Okay, so I call this a coupon master data extension, and this is how my data extension actually would look like. Hmm. This is basically following the very best practice. Okay.
Yes, Sasi, one question.
Mhm.
So, is the data extension that is there, is it sendable or does it work for not sendable data
Non-sendable
extensions?
also. This is what I created for non-sendable.
Okay,
Hmm. So this
okay,
is a master. So I'm never going to make a master data extension as a sendable data extension as a best practice. Okay.
okay.
Master can't be a sendable for me. Never. Hmm. So it always based on the segmentation. Hmm.
Yes.
So
Yeah. Mhm.
I have a question here. Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So are we filtering based on the event?
Based on the
Event?
event. Okay. Yeah, we'll come to that. Like
Okay.
how we are doing that. Okay. Uh, when
Especially,
we do,
I have a quick question.
hmm,
So, when you say the master is not sendable, is that what you recommend to be a best practice? Like
yeah,
that is. Oh, okay, okay. Thank you.
yeah. Because see, you might have thousands and thousands of record in the master, right?
Right.
When you have a big database, but
Yeah.
you don't want to shoot out to everyone because you're going to use this coupon. Okay. Now, if I have to think about whom should I send a coupon, would be to those people who are not engaging lately, right? They were
Right.
engaging 30 days before, they were quite engaged. Nowadays, I see that their engagement has dropped. Hmm. So maybe I'll focus to those subscriber who have been less engaged, right? So that if I
Right.
give them a coupon, they might come to my website and they can buy some products.
Yeah.
Hmm. And
Yeah.
it might also be like the other point of perspective would be like, I want to basically target those subscribers who are being loyal to my products, right? They are
Mm.
always engaging, and I want to basically, like say,
Reward them for
reward them.
being so. Yeah. Okay.
So there might be those kind of scenarios. So how we are picking
Yeah.
up the scenario is to the marketers, right? How they want
Yeah.
to make their subscribers engage. Hmm.
Okay. Thank you.
So I always recommend people to follow this approach. Hmm. This is also given here. You see, they have clearly mentioned here. Okay, I'm following the official documentation where they're saying you have to have all these fields. Hmm. Then coming back, see what I did. I'll again go slow. Okay, so first is the coupon master that we created, right, with all these details, which is not sendable. And the second one is the sendable. Now you see. Hmm.
No,
Now you
what?
have,
Shashi, sorry. But what will happen if we make master as a sendable also, but we don't target it, right?
what will happen is if you have a very big team,
Hmm.
hmm, and what happens is many of them might be saying that, oh, this is sendable, though I'm directly going to use this in the journey as a entry source. Hmm.
Okay.
So you might be injecting everyone, and by mistake also you might be sending to everyone, which was not your actual intent to send it to everyone. Hmm.
Okay.
Then it might lead to a lot of issues like coupon is not assigned and you're sending an email, right? There might be a lot of errors that might be happening. So it's better you don't make it sendable. It's make it unsendable. Send this email to the most engaged subscribers. Hmm. And what I do is I would write a query or I'll do a filtered data extension where I'll say, okay, these people are engaged, right?
Hmm.
In a hurry, the other person who does not have the full clarity, he will simply go to the data extension and say, oh, it's sendable. Okay, I think Sasi has decided to make this all this target data extension. I'm going to use it. No, okay. So a lot of confusion will happen when you have a big team.
Hmm.
After that, you can create a filter by a query or filter activity, or there are a lot of approaches to do it.
Yeah.
Hmm. So here, if I say I created a target data extension which is sendable, and here I'm adding only the list number of attributes okay, which I basically require for sending an email. So for sending an email, I require the email address. I require the subscriber key. Okay, so it can be properly mapped to the all contacts and all subscribers. Okay, and I might, if you want to add, you can add other few attributes like full name, address, or something that you want to use in your email personalization. Apart from that, I'm not going to bring all the 50, 60 attributes that you have in the master. I'll only bring only those attributes which are required for your personalization in your email. Okay, so for this example, these attributes are enough for me.